Hey, what is up, lawn care community? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. I recently purchased two of them for this snow season in 2019, and they have actually been an awesome investment so far. Now, this is just a 10-hour review, but servicing the clients that I have, the 10 hours already was just one outing. So we were out all night. I've got numerous snow vlogs up. I'll be leaving cards everywhere in this video on the review. This video won't have much footage at all of using the snowblowers, but that's what the vlogs are for. So please go check out those vlogs. Please subscribe, hit the thumbs up, hit the bell notification, all that stuff. Share, comment, whatever you'd like. Really, I've just been making these videos for the fact that a couple years ago, when I started my lawn care business and started doing snow removal, I needed some guidance, and shout out to channels like Brian's Lawn Maintenance, who is just huge on this platform. Other guys in the business, I follow Wyatt's Lawn Service, Arborvine Landscaping, just, you know, everybody. There are big names, Chance Daily Hustle, Top Notch Lawn Care, and they've all got great materials. B&B Lawn Care, Cut and Clean. So, you know, all those guys are awesome. They've got great reviews. They really work hard. They strive to not only make their product and their job look really good, but they strive to deliver the content on YouTube's platform as well. So without further ado, you know, these machines are 212 cc, which is over double what I used last year, because last year I had the 18-inch Toro, and those did the job, definitely. They were easy to maneuver in and out, but these machines, they maneuver just as easily, and man, they have some power behind them, because in comparison to the 18-inch Toro, which I think was only 90 cc, these 212 cc's are just killing it out there. I found myself almost running after them because that's how fast it was pulling the snow through the chute. One of the best things about these snowblowers is actually just having the key as the ignition, because on the old version, on the 18-inch, I mean, the key was located like down by the choke. If anyone else has used that, I sold mine on Let Go, thankfully. But there was a really strange key in the back on the 18-inch Toro model, and you have to pull it out, and sometimes you could lose it. So not only do we have this, but I used a zip tie and some yellow like plastic material. I think it was just from a plastic bag, to be honest, like a newspaper bag. But look, it's got ice on it. I mean, it withstood the whole night, and I tagged those keys just in case if a guy accidentally, you know, pulled the key out really quick and we lost it, which did happen last year, then, you know, we can keep things moving and go find the key. But anyways, guys, like I said, 10-hour review. We used these on a lot of houses. I'm not really gonna say how many, but we were out there for 10 hours, and I was, each house on average was like 8 to 12 minutes, so you do the math anyways. I wanted to show you guys the blades too, after 10 hours of use. Now, okay, so with the machine tilted back, now if any of you know, and you do residential snow blowing, what you have to do, see, I can't see mine, so it might be, oh, here we go, okay. If you just see this hole right here. You can't see them. They don't have them anywhere else, but there's a certain spot. And now see, you don't see that little hole around any other part. And what that hole is right there, that's the wear mark. So please leave a comment below if you can inform me on how deep you take your wear mark, because last year I pushed mine to the other side of this circle, and you know, the last couple snows we got in Michigan were not crazy, so it still did the job. But you know, let me know where you guys take your wear mark down to. How much do you wear these rubber blades down? Because you know, we just had the first snow about 4.5 inches. And you know, you can see how it's worn and the little felt is sticking out or whatever, and that's just wearing it down, because we run over so much stuff. But yeah, that's the wear mark, like I said. So that's the beauty of these machines too, as opposed to a 2-stage. It's just the fact that all you have is just the pull cord, choke. I mean, these things basically run just like a standard self-propelled 21-inch push mower. So great machines. Highly recommend it for not only the homeowner, because they're fairly priced, but for the business side as well. I mean, you buy 2 of these. I had an Ace Hardware discount because I'm a B2B member there, so I got 5% off, and I was out the door for under $1,000 with both of these units. Now guys, with 10 hours of use, really the only mishap that happened, yep, so we were just going along, we got super lucky, and this happened on the second to last house. So basically, yep, this right here, it shook over time, over the 10 hours of use. It just came loose, I guess, you know, and it fell out. And, you know, if you watch any of the snow vlogs, you see how tight-knit some of the properties are that we're hitting. And, you know, when we're blowing the snow, we got to stay close to each other and follow each other, so we're keeping a nice tight path. So basically, I think what happened is what the guys said is, we were going along, that thing fell off, and I think the guy following him actually ran it over and launched it somewhere. Such is life. So anyways, guys, I hope that this little review and walkthrough gave you some insight and helpful tips on maybe which snowblower you want to purchase for your business or just your own personal property. I'll leave a link in the description to both the PowerClear 721R, if I can find a good affiliate link for it, and I'll leave a link for the 18-inch so you can maybe see both models. Side note, I am an Amazon affiliate now. I did become a member. I signed up. I may be even putting a video out about how to get your YouTube monetized without monetizing YouTube, I mean, but you can monetize through being an affiliate member. So anyways, guys, link in description. Check it out, like, share, all that good stuff. I'm freezing. I can't feel my hands. It's about 5 degrees in Michigan. Oh, maybe in the teens today. But tomorrow is supposed to be 40. So I'll catch you.